Looks like it has a fruit tree on the corner over there. Looks like either orange or lime. This is the side of the home, friends. That would be facing southwest. Hello, welcome friends. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Santo Domingo in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Santo Domingo in the northern part of the Villages. Here I am standing on the street, and I will give you a panoramic view of the street. That view, friends, is facing north, and that view is facing south. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home with a 2-car garage. It is list priced at $325,000. The roof does appear to be in very good condition. This home does have a very deep setback as well, and it has very mature landscaping. As I walk up the driveway is concrete and is in very good condition. I do notice it does have some stone landscaping in the front of the home. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Cissie Smith with Realty Executives, if you have any questions about this home. As I walk up to the front of this home, I do notice it has a very large front seating area with a white picket fence. There is a closer look at your roof. It does appear to be in very good condition. The roof was replaced in the year 2018. The hot water heater was replaced in 2019, and the HVAC has been replaced in 2012. This is your front seating area, front porch area. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hi, Carly. Can you tell us a little bit about this home?
Yes, this is 1821 Augustine Drive, a 2-2 Catalina model home located in the village of Santo Domingo, conveniently located close to Spanish Springs, and is listed at $325,000.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. I will take a walk through this home, and I'll describe to my subscribers what I see. And as always, if they have any questions, they can contact either you, the showing agent, or Cissie Smith, the listing agent, right? Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer of the home, and the first thing I notice is this laminate floor and this very high cathedral ceiling with knockdown texture on it. Off to the right, you do see a living room area. And in the corner back there, you will see the kitchen. We will take a look at that kitchen a little bit later. I will start by taking a right and going back into the primary bedroom. And you do notice that this laminate floor continues in the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom does have acoustic textured ceilings. That does appear to be a queen-size bed, friends, to give you perspective. This room is nice and large. It is 13 feet by 15 feet. As always, contact Carly, the showing agent, or Cissie Smith, the listing agent, if you have any questions about this home. This primary bedroom does have a bathroom with tile floors. There is a walk-in closet as well, and that has the laminate floors continuing. In the walk-in closet has wire rack shelves. This primary bathroom, has a separate area for the commode. It does have wallpaper on it. It also has acoustic textured ceilings, tile floors. It has one sink. The vanity is a wood vanity as well. This is a very bright room. There is a large window above the commode space. It does have a shower as well with glass doors. That shower is a tiled shower. That is the floor. It does have a tile shower surround as well. I will take a look at the linen closet next. Here is the linen closet. I know a lot of my subscribers want to see what the linen closet looks like. Next, I will walk out into the kitchen area just to give you the last panoramic view of this primary bedroom as well. Let's take a look at what the kitchen has to offer. First of all, off to the left, there is a laundry room. It does have tile floors. It is an inside laundry. The mechanicals are in here. Very high ceilings with acoustic texture. That door will lead out into a 2-car garage. Off to the right, you do have the kitchen with the laminate floors, wood cabinets, has a 2-bowl sink, very high ceilings with acoustic texture, has a small area for a dinette off to the left. It does have Formica countertops. That is a natural gas range as well. Not all areas of the villages have natural gas available. Very nice. This home does have a Florida room. This is a temperature controlled Florida room. It does have the laminate floors in here. There is your HVAC duct in the ceiling of that Florida room. Very nice, large windows in this Florida room. The back of this home does face northeast, friends. That is facing northeast. It also has a lanai off to the side of the Florida room. That lanai does have tile floors. It does have screens and what appears to be acrylic or glass windows as well. Knockdown texture ceiling. And this lanai does have a pass-through window into the kitchen. So you could entertain guests and pass food and beverages between the kitchen and this lanai. I will take a walk out into the side yard, friends. It also has a small patio off the side that you could store maybe a barbecue grill here. I'll walk to the corner of this lot. That is the back of your home, friends. Looks like it has a fruit tree on the corner over there. Looks like either orange or lime. This is the side of the home, friends. That would be facing southwest. The front of the home does face southwest. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home, friends, and see what the guest quarters looks like. Here we are walking back into the Florida room. This is your kitchen and dining area. I will video the specification sheet. This home is located at 1821 Augustine Drive, here in the Villages, Florida. The nearest town square would be Spanish Springs. List price $325,000. As always, please pause the video if you want to read the specification sheet. I will turn the specification sheet over to give you the room dimensions. There are your room dimensions. Next, I will walk into the guest quarters and show you what that looks like. This is the guest quarters. It is a split bedroom design home. You do see a guest bathroom on this side of the home. It does have tile floors, a wood vanity, one sink with Formica countertops. Does have wallpaper, acoustic texture ceiling as well. Let's take a look at what that shower looks like. It does have a tub in this room, and it does have a tile shower surround. There's your tile shower surround right there. This home is kept in very good condition. Here is a guest bedroom. This bedroom is located in the front of the home. It does have the laminate floors continuing. That, again, friends, appears to be a queen-size bed to give you a perspective of the size of this room. This room is 10 feet by 15 feet. Does have acoustic textured ceilings. We'll walk in and take a spin and show you what this bedroom also has. A walk-in closet. Very nice. Let's take a look at what the walk-in closet looks like. Has the laminate floors in that walk-in closet, wire rack shelves, acoustic textured ceilings. This home does have raised 6-panel doors as well. Very nice adder to have. I will give you one last panoramic view of this home. That is your Florida room, very nice, facing northeast. That is your kitchen over there, friends. This is your living space. Very high ceilings. Very comfortable home. I will now walk out into the street and give you one last view of this home. Here's one last look at your front seating area, porch. Very deep setback. Very quiet neighborhood. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. As always, friends, if you want more information of this home, please contact your listing agent, Cissie Smith, with Realty Executives, or your showing agent, Carla. I will include her contact information in the description of this video as well. I will walk out to the street and turn around and show you one last look of this home. And there you have it, friends. 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home located here in the village of Santo Domingo, here in the Villages, Florida. Take care, everyone. Have a great week. Thank you for taking this tour of this 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom Catalina model designer home located here in the village of Santo Domingo. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.